There are multiple ways to schedule the T6 Smart Thermostat range. There is a time-based schedule that can be created from the thermostat itself or through the Honeywell Home App. The T6 Smart Thermostat range also offers a geofence or location-based schedule that can be set only from the Honeywell Home App. In this video, we will cover the time-based schedule setup from the Honeywell Home mobile app. Let's start with the basics. To turn the heating on and off from the app, tap on your thermostat. This is the current temperature in the room where the thermostat is located, and this is the target temperature. Tap the mode button in the lower left corner. Tap the off button and press save. System is off will be displayed below the room temperature, and the target temperature of the thermostat will be set to 5 degrees. This is also called frost protection. To turn the heating system back on, press the mode button again and tap on the heat button. To enable or disable the time schedule, from the Honeywell Home app main screen, select the thermostat and press on the schedule button in the bottom right. Go to options and select turn schedule off. Press on the X in the upper left corner to return to the thermostat screen. When the schedule is disabled, the thermostat will be on permanent hold, meaning that it will maintain the target temperature all the time and the temperature needs to be adjusted manually. To set the schedule from the Honeywell Home app, first select the thermostat from the list and then tap on the schedule button. Go to options and, depending on your current schedule, you will have two options. If the current schedule is time-based, choose Create a new time schedule. If current schedule is geofencing, choose Switch to time schedule. Select the desired option for the new schedule. Same for every day. Single day, you will need to schedule each day individually. Grouped days, you will need to create one schedule that will appear for the whole week. Different on weekends. Different schedule for the weekdays, Monday to Friday, and for the weekend, Saturday to Sunday. Single day will show each day of the week individually. Grouped days will show one schedule for Monday to Friday and one schedule for Saturday to Sunday. Regardless of the type of schedule you choose, tap on the first period you need to adjust. If you need more periods, select Add Period to set another period. Start by pressing on the hour that you want to change, start time or end time. While editing the schedule, you will notice that the start time of the next period will change according to the end time of the previous period. This is because the schedule for a day covers all 24 hours, so there should be no time gaps in between periods. Use the up and down arrows to change the temperature for this period. For the periods when you require heating, set a comfort temperature. For the periods when you don't require heating, set a low target temperature, which would be the minimum that you would like to maintain in the room. Note that the changes made in this video serve as an example, but you have the freedom to set the hours and temperatures that suit your needs. Hit delete in the upper left hand corner if you need to remove a period from the schedule. Press save when you're done editing. If the previous schedule was geofencing, then the following message will appear and you will need to confirm the changes. The app will return to the main screen displaying the following schedule message. The holiday feature helps you save energy while you're away for longer periods and restores comfortable settings just before you return home. To activate the holiday mode, go to the main menu of the Honeywell Home app and then go to Holiday. Tap on the switch next to Holiday Settings to enable it. Set the date and time when you leave your home during the holiday and then the date and time when you get back. From the Review Your Holiday Settings menu, you can change the temperature by pressing the arrows. The default is 13 degrees. If you have a T6R-HW, you can also choose whether to turn the domestic hot water off during the holiday. To disable the holiday mode, press the button next to Holiday Settings and then on End. This was everything about scheduling the T6 range of smart thermostats from the Honeywell Home mobile app. If you want to find out how to configure the schedule from the room unit, check the description below. For more videos and support articles, please visit getconnected.honeywellhome.com.